Welcome to MKB Online. Today we're sharing quick and easy Christmas decoration ideas to bring your home to life. Hack 1. Fluffing branches for a fuller look. When you first take your artificial tree out of storage, the branches can be compressed and flat. Spend some time fluffing each branch, spreading out the needles to make the tree look more natural and full. This simple step can make a huge difference in the overall appearance of your tree, giving it a lush and vibrant look that will impress your guests. Hack 2. Wrap your lights starting from the trunk outward for even coverage. Begin by wrapping the lights around the trunk, and then work your way out to the tips of the branches. This method ensures that the lights are evenly distributed throughout the tree, creating a beautiful, glowing effect. Plus, it makes it easier to remove the lights after the holiday season is over. Hack 3. Use color-coordinated ornaments to match your room's theme. Choose ornaments that complement the colors of your room's decor for a cohesive and stylish look. This not only makes your tree look professionally decorated, but also ties the whole room together. Tree decorating made simple. These hacks ensure your tree becomes the centerpiece of your holiday decor. By following these simple tips, you can create a stunning Christmas tree that will be the highlight of your festive celebrations. Happy decorating. Create a beautiful snowflake garland using just paper and string. It's a simple yet elegant way to bring a touch of winter wonderland into your home. All you need is some white paper, scissors, and a bit of creativity. Cut out intricate snowflake designs and string them together to make a stunning garland that can be hung across your mantle, windows, or even your Christmas tree. DIY mason jar candle holders are a fantastic way to add a cozy, festive glow to any room. Fill the jars with seasonal accents like pine cones, cranberries, or even small ornaments. Add a candle in the center, and you have a charming decoration that also makes a great gift. These candle holders are perfect for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere during the holiday season. Make ribbon bows for gifts or wall hangings to add a personal touch to your holiday decor. Choose ribbons in festive colors and patterns, and get creative with your bow designs. Whether you're adorning a present or creating a decorative piece for your wall, ribbon bows are an easy and versatile way to enhance your Christmas decorations. Get creative this Christmas with fun and affordable DIY decorations. From handmade ornaments to personalized wreaths, the possibilities are endless. Gather your supplies and let your imagination run wild. Not only will you save money, but you'll also create unique pieces that reflect your personal style and holiday spirit. Perfect for the whole family to try together, these DIY projects are a wonderful way to bond and make lasting memories. Involve everyone, from the youngest to the oldest, in crafting beautiful decorations that will be cherished for years to come. Enjoy the festive season with these delightful and easy-to-make DIY decorations. Add fairy lights to shelves or windows. These twinkling lights can instantly transform any space into a magical wonderland. Whether you drape them over your bookshelves or frame your windows, the soft glow creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Fairy lights are versatile and can be used in various ways to enhance the festive spirit in your home. Highlight how to use scented candles or potpourri for a festive aroma. Choose scents like cinnamon, pine, or vanilla to evoke the essence of the holiday season. Place them strategically around your home, such as on coffee tables, mantles, or in the bathroom to ensure every corner is filled with delightful fragrances. Potpourri bowls can also add a decorative touch while releasing a continuous, pleasant scent. Demonstrate creating a cozy seating area with blankets and pillows. Opt for plush, festive-themed blankets and an assortment of pillows in holiday colors. This not only adds to the visual appeal, but also provides a comfortable spot for you and your guests to relax. Consider adding a few holiday-themed throws to make the space even more inviting. Set the perfect holiday mood with lights, scents, and cozy accents. Combine fairy lights, scented candles, and soft textiles to create a harmonious and festive environment. Think about incorporating other elements like garlands, wreaths, and holiday-themed decor to complete the look. The goal is to create a space that feels both festive and comfortable. Your guests will feel the Christmas magic as soon as they walk in. A well-decorated entrance sets the tone for the rest of your home. Consider adding a festive wreath to your door, and perhaps some fairy lights or lanterns to light the way. The welcoming ambiance will make your guests feel the holiday spirit from the moment they arrive. Thanks for joining us at MKB Online. Got your own Christmas decorating tips? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to MKB Online for more holiday inspiration. See you next time, and happy holidays.